where are you seeing value at the moment, Ricus?
Well, I was scratching around because in a market like, like we have, you could have 4 or 5% down in a day.
Yeah.
You look like an idiot. But Argent came out with results this morning. It's a bit obscure, very small company, but active in 38 companies or 38 countries and a well-diversified portfolio of industrial manufacturing and specifically steel manufacturing. Big in the UK, expanding into Canada. Offshore operations are now about half of their operations, and everything did well, I think, apart from steel trading in South Africa. It's a company that's been consistently giving you double-figure earnings growth for a number of years now, and with acquisitions working out very well. So it's one of those obscure ones sitting at a very low price earnings of about 6 or 7 and a decent 3% dividend yield plus an initiation of share buybacks, which I don't like, but shareholders like that, so I'm not going to argue against that.
And let's get your stock pick. Chantal, where are you seeing value?
Yeah, I was also scratching around, very tempted to start nibbling at some of those US tech exposures, particularly the ones that were heavily sold down, but I think momentum is still firmly downwards. I feel really good about SA Inc. at the moment. And one of the areas where we've lacked from an SA Inc. perspective has been gross fixed capital formation. I think that there's a case to be made for a really nice increase in investment, both from the public and the private sector over the next 12 to 36 months. And who would benefit most? Construction. And within that construction basket, Raubex is just the highest quality. They're already seeing really strong contract growth coming through from Sunrail. And I haven't seen that share price react to the fact that they've got preferred bidder status at Lebombo border post. We know what Beitbridge did for that company from a financial perspective. And I think there's potential that Lebombo could do the same over the next few years.
So Raubex and Argent, one to look out for. Chantal, Ricus, thanks so much for your time this afternoon. Now that was Chantal Marx from FNB Wealth and Investments and Ricus Reeders from PSG Hole-in-One Ruimsig.
Stockwatch is brought to you by Merchant West. Where others stop, we push further. Because we believe business as usual doesn't lead anywhere new. Go beyond with Merchant West. Finance, invest, insure.